Will XRP Ripple hit $100 soon? It seems strange, doesn't it? Still, that's the real deal going on in the background. The CEO of Ripple is increasing the faith of investors and crypto experts in the future of XRP by publicly criticizing the SEC. You can't take a break because everything is happening too quickly. Among all the XRP videos, this one is crucial. It would be foolish to ignore such a bullish indication. We will skip the introduction and get right to the point. Important notice. Ripple v. SEC is becoming more than a case in the ongoing legal dispute. The significance of this event goes well beyond XRP. It is a watershed moment. The outcome is expected to have far-reaching consequences for the entire cryptocurrency industry and establish standards for the treatment of digital assets in the US when it reaches a critical stage in January 2025. Levi encapsulates the mood and enthusiasm surrounding this case in his tweet, asking how high will XRP pump if Ripple wins the appeal against the SEC, emphasizing the gravity of the situation and the far-reaching effects it could have on investors, developers, and regulators. An important development is that the SEC has been given until January 15, 2025 by the Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit to present its main brief in the case against Ripple. In this paper, the SEC will lay out its case for classifying XRP as a security, an assessment that Ripple strongly disagrees with. Ripple has constructed a robust legal argument based on the claim that XRP is a digital currency and not a security. Restrictions on XRP's use and potential regulatory scrutiny of other cryptocurrencies could result from a ruling in favor of the SEC. The future of the market would be shaped by this decision, which would affect the trading and categorization of crypto assets. In response to the SEC's moves, Ripple has been taking a calculated approach, further complicating matters and drawing attention to the SEC's inconsistent regulatory stance. Some feel the agency's ambiguous stance discourages innovation and new cryptocurrency initiatives from launching in the US. It's on its way. In a tweet expressing his frustration, Jack the Rippler predicted that one day Trump will fire Gary Gensler, instead of being encouraging of blockchain technology. Curiously, rumors have begun to circulate regarding the SEC's request for a deadline extension. Legal counsel Bill Morgan speculates that the SEC's apparent hesitancy in taking this position may explain the extension. On the other hand, Mark Fagel, a former director of the SEC, dismisses this as a sign of uncertainty and instead attributes it to standard operating procedures. But with this extension, Ripple will have more time to beef up its defenses, so that the cryptocurrency community can get ready for what may be a watershed moment in the regulation of digital assets. The parties are also planning to settle the case before the trial begins on December 19th, and the jury selection process is anticipated to conclude by January 21, 2025. The establishment of a new standard and the possible provision of regulatory clarity are both possible outcomes of an agreement between the two parties. On the other hand, a crucial legal precedent will be established by the outcome of the case's trial. If the court rules against Ripple, it might mean tougher regulations for XRP and other digital assets, which would have far-reaching effects on the crypto market as a whole. Everyone in the industry, from investors to developers, is keeping a careful eye on the decision-making process because even a single bad ruling could limit access to markets or increase regulatory burdens, which could reduce innovation and adoption. But before we get into the implications of XRP's future adoption on a global scale, everyone in the cryptocurrency world is talking about the tremendous growth potential of XRP, so let's talk about something even more urgent. The predictions we're about to share will blow your mind, and believe me when I say this could change everything for everyone tuning in. The possibility of XRP reaching sky-high prices like $10 or $100 has sparked a lot of enthusiasm in the cryptocurrency community. A gigapump might be on the horizon for XRP, according to some. In a tweet, the XRP captain said, as Us.Thankx made the statement, we are locked and loaded, indicating that the community is poised for a significant price change. Nevertheless, it is critical to temper this enthusiasm with a practical understanding of how past performance and current market conditions may affect these price targets. Impressive highs have been seen by XRP historically, especially during the bull market of 2017. The all-time high for XRP was nearly $4 during the height of this rally. Its market capitalization nearly reached $128 billion, momentarily placing it second only to Bitcoin in terms of cryptocurrency. The market would have to coincide with a distinct set of circumstances, such as broad adoption, increased investor demand, and favorable regulatory decisions, for XRP to achieve higher valuations like $10 or even $100, as demonstrated during this explosive period. Approximately 56.8 billion tokens are in circulation at the moment. Various price points would result in different market caps for XRP, as shown by the math. For example, XRP would be worth about $1.70 per token if the market cap reached $100 billion, which is doable considering past highs. With the increase in token supply since its 2018 peak of $128 billion in market cap, the price would reach approximately $2.20. However, surpassing the $10 token price point would necessitate a market cap close to $568 billion, a goal that, given XRP's expanding utility, might be achievable during a robust bull market. Crypto, according to Barbie, who accurately reflected the present mood in the market, XRP might be setting the stage for a huge price explosion because of a historical squeeze in its Bollinger Bands. If regulatory uncertainty is alleviated, this technical pattern may indicate that XRP is about to break out, so that its use in international money transfers and other areas may be expanded. To get XRP to the absurd $100 mark, the market capitalization would have to skyrocket to a record $5.6 trillion, which would put it on par with the biggest banks in the world. This ambitious goal shows how much faith many XRP holders have in the future of the asset, even though it may appear far-fetched at first, expecting $10 or $100 worth of XRP in the future. Investors are curious as to whether XRP's contribution to the digital economy justifies these high valuations, which is both exciting and intimidating. Regardless of whether XRP can achieve such lofty goals, its community is steadfast, driven by a profound faith in its capabilities. Market circumstances, technological adoption, and XRP's capacity to establish itself in the changing financial landscape are all factors that could lead to higher prices, while we await the outcome of regulatory and market developments. When the world sees what's possible, XRP is prepared to show it. Can you believe it? On the other hand, XRP is involved in more than what is immediately apparent. In the background, Ripple is orchestrating a worldwide takeover, one that is larger and more powerful than the average person perceives. The future of XRP may hinge on this shift, which might push its price over $100. Now is the time to dive in and learn about the revolutionary changes that are subtly propelling XRP for enormous benefits. There is, therefore, incredible momentum developing around XRP and its possible worldwide adoption. As major banks start to use Ripple's technology, recent events have sparked debates among investors and analysts. If Ripple prevails in its lawsuit against the SEC, XRP is expected to see massive adoption, as CryptoGeek noted, according to JP Morgan. This claim highlights how Ripple's legal battles could lead to XRP being widely used in mainstream financial systems. Institutions like Amazon are embracing XRP as a payment option globally, changing the narrative and raising the stakes. A recent tweet from King XRP announced that Amazon has begun accepting XRP as payment on a global scale. For those who own XRP, this is huge news. This update does more than just prove that Ripple's tech works, it also signifies a turning point in the cryptocurrency's path to becoming widely accepted. Transaction volumes and XRP's market relevance will skyrocket if major retailers around the world